Greetings, men. This is Mr. Heidenry. Today we're going to start using Google Documents. It's a way, there's lots of things it has to offer, but the point is it stores everything online and uses what they call the cloud, so it's independent of what computer you use. If you go to google.com, if you have an account or a Gmail address, you can use that. Otherwise, click right here on Create an Account. And what you want to do is go through and fill that out. So I went through and created a new one, pretending I have an MSN email account. So you can use any email to sign up, fill it out, and click accept. And once you're signed in, you should see your username up there. And there's a ton of things you now have available that you can use that Google offers. What we're going to go to is Google Documents. So if you go to More, scroll down, and this is an area you can store things. You can store just like a text document. You can make the equivalent of PowerPoint presentations. Well, that doesn't help. All right, here we go. Well, now that we're here, you can create new. These are all these items: document, presentations, spreadsheet, drawing, collection. We're going to do a form. We're going to make a quiz. For example, if I give a quizzing class, this is what I use.
If you draw it on the software you draw everything.
And so what I want you guys to do is create some sort of quiz or a form. You can do an online survey. It can be anything you want. So we'll give it a name, as it says here. Include anything you want. You can change themes. You can add stuff, which we'll do in a second. Different types of quizzes. I'm going to make the first one a required question. Sorry, our internet's running slowly. First, I'm at a simple text question. I'm going to go up here to edit it. And the first one is always name. I can enter help text. If necessary, made it required. So that's what it's going to be. Sample question 2. You can duplicate, delete, edit. What should my next car be? And let me make this multiple choice. Option 1, Hyundai Genesis. I'm a teacher, so I got to keep my sports cars cheap. Add another. What else is there? The 911 Turbo. I'd have to get a used one, of course. Cadillac DTS. Ford 150. And I'll make this required question. Click done. So go through, add about 3 more different ones, 3 more questions. And then what you want to do, you'll click save. And once you've saved it, you can view the form here. This is the published one. This is the URL you would give someone who wants to send, who you want to take the quiz. For instance, if I wanted you guys to take a quiz, I would have you guys fill out this form. Like I said, change themes if you want it to look cool, or as cool as something like this can get. I'll go back to editing. You can email this if you wanted to send it. And here's what I'm going to do. I want you to take the quiz yourself. You'll send me that link. And once again, you'll notice that link now appears up here in the URL. And if you go back to your Google Docs home, it'll show up in there also. So it's not lost if you navigate away from it. So I'm back here at my sample quiz. Mr. H, I want to get a Cadillac, and I can put something there. I hit submit. Boom. Thanks. All is well. Now, if you go back to that form, you can see responses in the spreadsheet. It lists the name, all this stuff, and this is automatically done. And I believe right here, it will allow you to go from the form back to your spreadsheet with answers. So create a quiz like that. And then email me the results. I think that's all we need to do for this first section of Google Docs.